Hello people, I'm Abhishek Verma, an independent animator based in Mumbai, India. I'm making short film from last 5 years and my other films are in production. The agenda for today's video is that we are going to unbox and I'll be giving the honest review about the Canvas Pro 24 brought in the market by Hyon, and this review is after 1.5 months of using it personally for my own project. So the box is quite strong enough and it says that it is 2.5K display, it has a battery free pen, 8192 level of the pressure sensitivity, the size, about the color gamut, about the full lamination, about the 60-degree tilt and the compatibility. We all will be seeing in the other section of the software and the hardware specification. So let's unbox it. So here the tablet is, I think, is inside, and here it's has all the component inside. It's a component box. You can see, I think, all the stuff. This looks like a wiping cloth. Here's a pen, it's a power adapter and cables and all. Let's now see the grand tablet. Yeah. Here it is, I think, inside it. There's a tablet, I think, in this. So we have removed the wrapper and you can see a piece of 24 inches Canvas Pro. Obviously the first thing is the tab given to you, and in the part of the video we have seen that they are giving you 4 screw and this screwdriver by which you can fix this sturdy stand. Then there is a power cable with the power adapter. There is a USB cable that will go from your connector of the tablet to your computer, either laptop, PC, whatever you are using. This is the HDMI video audio port. This is a VGA cable. In the part of the video we will understand the difference between VGA and HDMI. Then there is a Hyon friction free, anti-sweat and a scratch free gloves. They will be giving you this Pentec 3.0. It's also called a battery free pen, very lightweight, no need to charge. It comes with your nib holder which has a 10 nibs and a plucker, and along with that they will be giving you the wiping cloth and the warranty card. So this is what the whole package comes with the Canvas Pro 24. So I want to show you one of the most important hardware feature of this Canvas Pro 24 is the very sturdy stand, and it can be fixed very easily. The box comes with 4 screws and one very powerful screwdriver. Just I'll fix it. Just you put it and it hardly takes 2 to 3 seconds. But apart from that, after fixing this becomes very powerful, very steady. The best feature is the different angles. I will show you that it starts from 0 degree. You can see it is totally slant. It becomes totally like a paper, and just pull it, you can achieve 45 degree, and you can see the strength, the power it holds. And I should confess that in I'm doing animation from last 5 years and never encountered such a powerful and sturdy stand that is attached to the screen. All other tablets that I have used are either like an attachment or like a fixer, but here it is totally embedded in the screen. And now I'll move to the another section of fixing the angle, and now it's around 60, now it's around 90, pull it more and it ends in 105 degree around. So in 105 degree your monitor will become as a screen. You can watch your favorite show or you can watch your animation preview. So in the second section of the hardware feature, we come to the point of the display ports and the power ports that is available in the Canvas Pro 24. So totally there are 5. The first one is your display port. The box doesn't give you a display port. The second one is HDMI port, and through HDMI you can connect your screen from your computer to the tablet, and the box gives you HDMI port. The third one is a VGA cable. Again, it does the same. The difference between HDMI and VGA is that VGA is a visual graphics array and it only transfers the image from your computer to the screen, but HDMI has a feature which connects your audio and video both. So it comes with VGA, maybe a little bit of old school, but a very good feature. If you have any kind of old machine, then it can get connected. The fourth part is the power adapter, and obviously the power adapter comes with the box. And the last and very important one is the USB port. You can see the USB port here, and it is very easily recognizable here. And the USB goes to your computer, and it controls all the secondary features that is required for the tablet. Yeah, if you are looking at the size of the tablet, it is quite huge. It gives you enough flexibility to draw with your shoulder, with your arm. I'll just measure it with a tape and show you that it is around 5.5 here, around 5.5, 29.5 inches diagonally. If you go for a horizontal distance, it is 24, and the vertical is around 312 plus 3.5, around 15.5 inches. So quite a big tablet in order to explore your creative understanding. If you look at the buttons of the Canvas Pro 24, it is quite sturdy and well spaced. I can show you, see, the pressing is very easy, very smooth, and has a you can listen to it when you are doing an undo, or when you are changing the color of the brush, or you are making it eraser. Everything is customizable. You can look, and is the second part of the thing where it is totally touch screen. Just flick it and things will change. But remember that the flicking only happens in one direction. It doesn't mean that if you flick from bottom to top, it is another button, and top to bottom is another button. It's totally a one button, but totally a touch screen. Again, if you go to the top, it has the same five buttons. This is meant for both the left hand side and the right hand in the right hand side, and both left hander and right hander can use it. Similarly, you have in the right hand side. This unique pen by Huion, this is also known as Pentec 3.0, completely battery free pen, extremely lightweight, no need to charge. With 2 buttons, you can customize your button again from your control window, which we will be seeing in the software feature, and it has a nif point. You can customize your eraser here, so you don't have to worry. If you compare the Huion earlier pens, you have to put a battery in the previous one. No need to put battery, no need to charge, extremely lightweight. Now we come to this unique good holder. It has around 10 nips, you can see, replacement, and a plucker. Very easy to use, everybody knows that. We can see that very easy, that you can pull it and just take and put it back, very easy. Apart from this too, it has this gloves which I am wearing, Huion, given by Canvas Pro 24, sweat proof, friction free. So because the screen is very large, when you start drawing, there might be a sweat, there might be a position where you have to just glide when you are drawing with your shoulder, with your arm. It helps, and very smooth and very easy, very lightweight, and no irritation on the skin. Very in the hardware category, we come to the next section of ours, that is the OSD buttons, that is called on-screen display buttons. So these are like a hardware buttons, and the menu options will be available on when you will switch on your tablet. So the first one is the power button, the second one is the menu button. The menu will give you the options of contrast, saturation, brightness and all other things. This is the plus and minus button, you can increase and decrease, and this is an automatic button. If you want to control your tablet based on the automatic saturation, contrast, color, noise and whatever, you can do that. So these are like a quick accessible button available on the right hand side if you are a right hander. You can see here there are 4 important options. First is the press key. You can look here, there are altogether 20 keys and 2 extra flick keys, or I can say a touch screen keys. They are fully customizable. You can see I can just hover over it, and you can see everything can be changed in a minute. You can see the combination, the keyboard combination, the switch display, or you have to have your own program from the software. You can customize anything, and that's the best thing, is no restrictions. I'm using TV Paint and I'm facing no restrictions about this. So I'll talk about the second important part of the control panel, that is the stylus pen. The buttons are totally customized. The best part is that it guarantees you 8000 dpi of the pressure sensitivity of the pen and the screen. Just see here, the pressure sensitivity adjustment panel is here. I'll show you. I go from thick to super thin and it works. I'll change the mode and I'll go in a uniform direction of thickness. See, everything is thick. If I go here and I'll show you that everything becomes super thin. The amount of pressure that I am applying right now is normal pressure that we apply to draw. But when you are doing a painting, you're doing a matte painting, then you might have to use that, and it definitely works very easily, especially for the character design. Okay. You can see the difference here that it happens. The third section, we come into the work area. Work area means what is the amount of control that you want to give it to Canvas Pro 24. It all depends upon you. You just select the aspect ratio and it controls your window like that. So this is a very good feature. I am very happy with the control panel that is being given. I'll open any software, regular software that I use in my daily work. It's called TV Paint Animation, a very efficient and a very nice software that we use for animation. You can see here it goes from thick to thin. I'll change the size of the brush. It goes from thick to thin. I'll just change more, I'll make it less. Again it works best. So this is what it is. I'm using this special touch screen keys for an undo option, and you can see my action 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. So everything is like just a flick away. 1 2 3 4. It's 1 2 3 4 and it is gone. So a very powerful key when you are doing a lot of animation. And undo option, generally in earlier tablet we used to put undo here or here, but now because of the flick we don't have to put a lot of this undo. Now we come to the part of the 2.5K resolution. You can see here that it's just a downloaded image, and I have scaled it up to more than 6000%. And how clear it is, how you can see both the system and how clear this small screenshot is looking. So this is a very good and high screen quality that you can see here. I'm a big fan of Lisa Hannawald. She draws all the character of BoJack, and it's good that I've taken this as an example. You can see the resolution and so high quality and how the mapping is. So I'm fully satisfied with 2.5K resolution. What I'm doing is a good preview screen also when you use in the daily life. In the box, you might in the beginning you have seen that it says that the tilt of the pen is like plus minus 60 degree. Do you think that is possible? Yes, that is possible. We can look at here. But this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree or the 0 degree. You can see this one See, this is like tilted to like 45 to 30. It works. And again here you can see tilting is happening. So definitely it is giving a very good tilt pressure, and very happy, because when you draw in such a large screen, you generally draw either with your like elbow or a shoulder. You don't use like very miniatures when you're using a small screen like this. So tilt option is very important, and you can see how it is managing the pressure so nicely. And the important thing that people ask that, okay, is it compatible with Photoshop? Yes, it is compatible. It is perfectly compatible with TV Paint 11. You can see here. Second, Photoshop works best, any version. Third is Toon Boom. Works best. Storyboard Pro. Everything works fine. I have tested it and I'm fully satisfied with this.